Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chk dsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon, then hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.